Good day everyone, my name is Uzo Benedict. So today I'll be showing you how to make use of your Paystack account. But first, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, like and share my video so you will be first to be notified when I post my next video. Like and share my video. If there's any video you want me to create, go live on the comment section to comment the next video you want me to create or work on. So I'll be showing you how to do one or two from your phone or from your laptop. So come, let me show you what I'll be doing today. This is a Paystack account already. So if you don't have one, just quickly slide into the create free account button. This is what you see. You will see a form to fill. So this is it. So just quickly fill the form and meet me back in the login. So log in, come, let's go and see what we have inside. So this is my new Paystack account. So I just did the transaction of reset, which is this. So I will be doing one or two others so you see how to make transaction with this, how to sell your products with Paystack. So be here to create a new product. Let's see the products we have. Just a minute, it's loading. Like my network is blocking. Look at it now. Look at the products I have already. But now I'll be creating a new product. So the new product I'll be creating now should be one of my products I made already. Should be okay. Let me use this product to start. So now I want to sell this digital product I created. So I'll put the name down here. So you should write the name of your product here. Then I'm copying the description from here. So just, you know the product you want to sell, so you know what you'll be filling down here. So this is the description of the product I want to sell. Then I'm writing the price. This is the amount I'm selling my product. So easily fit in the amount here. So if it's a physical product you are selling, all you need to do is just click on limited and write the amount of products you are selling. But in my case, I'm not doing a physical product, I'm doing a digital product, so I don't have the quantity, so I have a lot of quantity to sell, so I'm leaving unlimited. And if it's a physical product, you have to click this. But because it's not a physical product, I'm going to leave this behind and click on my next button. So now it bring me to this place. So I'm going to be adding an image of what I'm selling. So I'm just going to pick a random image to show you how it looks. Okay, in this case I'm picking, okay, let me see if I have any picture down here. Okay, I'll be using this image. Okay, now next, once you finish loading, I'll have to click on save. So now it's completed. So I click on save. Now the product is ready for sale. All I need to do is click on next, got it, and then I get my link down here. So if I paste my link out and a client or a customer gets to click on it, this is what they are going to be seeing. This is what they will be seeing down here. So all they need to do is just to click on how many quantities they want. If they're buying 1, 2, 3, or 4, all they need to do is just to click on it. How many they need, if it's 1, 2, 3, or whatever, multiply to what they want to pay. Then they click on buy. Then they give them details on what you fill in your details and your credit card. Then you talk about how you want to pay, and it's done. Then they get the products right, straight and direct. So you see how simple as it is. So back to the dashboard, you see all my transactions. You see this. This is my transaction. This transaction I've done already. Some of the payments I've received. This is it. So this is how it is. And one thing I love about Paystack is that in less than 24 hours or maximum of 24 hours, you'll get your pay cut straight to your bank account without any stress or any delay of payment. So you don't have to say, oh, it's been 1 week, it's been 2 days, it's been weekend, I want to wait till weekend. or I want to wait till 110 to get my money. No. Paystack pays you at the end of 24 hours. You get your money straight and direct. So this is it for Paystack. So comment in my comment section. Let me see the next video you want me to create. I'll be glad to create it for you. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see the next video I'll be posting. Thank you.